Good noon, students. Today you will learn the summary of second lesson of prose. We are not afraid to die. If we can all be together. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. My dear student, one thing I want to tell you that on the first day when I gave my lecture on lesson first, after telling you summary, I was explaining the passages. But one thing I want to tell you that explanation will not be asked from your prose lessons, but only some short questions will be asked from passages. Therefore, you have to learn the summary of the lesson. Actually, like high school examination, you will get 2 or 3 short questions, 2 or 3 short questions from passages. But in this lesson, I will not explain the passages of the lesson vividly. So, you have to learn the summary of the second lesson. We are not afraid to die. First of all, I will give you its summary in English, then in Hindi. So, the writer who was a famous merchant went on a voyage with his wife, daughter and son. His son was only 6 years old, whether his daughter was 7 years old. The writer started his sea journey on his wood ship, which length was 23 meter, and its weight was 30 tons. It also took many months for test to swim or float in the river. Hence, the writer started his long voyage of 1,05,000 kilometers and reached near Cape Town, and it was a good journey. It was a good journey. And before advancing towards east, we had to face the west South Sea. Hence, we were compelled to take the help of two sailors, one of American sailor Larry Vigil, and the other was Swiss sailor named Herb Solger. On 2nd January, the sea waves were very vast, where sea waves were on its full length. The wind was also blowing very fast, and in order to make less the pass of the wood ship, we make to fell down the jackets. We make that is called dummal, and we also tied the ship and or the water protective cloths. But in the evening at 6 o'clock, the worst part of sea waves came out, and we were surrounded by vast sea waves, and in the meantime I felt that I was under the cover of those sea waves who were just like clouds. Those sea waves were so fast, so large, that it appeared that they were like black clouds. They were like black clouds, and it collided with my wooden ship, wooden boat, so fast that I had to make my escape. I had to make my escape in my boat, and the sea waves collided my boat, and I fell down in the sea, and it appeared that I was going to die. It appeared that I was going to die, and those sea waves made me to tumble here and there. My pulses were broken, my teeth were into my mouth, and blood was also filled into my mouth, and everywhere there was water, and in the meantime the east side of my sea of my ship opened, and Mary appeared at the gate. She informed that the ship was going to sink. I cried and asked her to accept the wheel. Larry and Harv were trying to make out water out of the ship, and the wooden ship was nearly broken into twice, and cloths, parts, charred, and all toys were scattering here and there. I swam and reached near the cabin of the children and asked whether they were fine. My daughter told me that she had a wound on her head. Somehow the author took its instrument and tried to make well its wooden boat to let it float. But the problem was that the electric hand pumps were totally full of soil and mud. They were not inactive. One of them was active, and we tried and made it to go well. It started, but the head of the shoe was completely swollen, and it has two blueprints. She also showed her wound. When I asked why she did not tell it, she said that she don't think to make him worry about it. And on 3rd January, I somehow make the situation under my control, and but much of my wooden boat was destroyed. On account of the collision of those waves, we somehow one could live only 15 hours. I inspected my boat and then I saw that it was Iceland, of French Iceland, and in the meantime, on 4th January, after doing a lot, somehow we could make out the vacant of my wooden ship, there was one time when it appeared that I was going to sink, but the sea waves pushed me, and somehow I protected myself. And after some time, my son, who was too tiny, but he declared that he was not afraid to die. He was not afraid to die. So, one thing you should remember, that when you are in danger, your courage works as the courage of that tiny child who declared that he was not afraid to die. And writer's little daughter did not show her wound to the writer, thinking that she was not going to make worry the writer. That's the end of the summary of that lesson. My dear student, tomorrow I will give you the Hindi summary of that lesson. That's all. Goodbye.